Hello, everyone. My name is Robert Sheldon. I'm the Associate Dean of the Bachelor of Management Program at ESCP Business School. Thank you very much for joining us here today. So to the prospective students who are watching this video, I have a question for you. Who do you want to become? Because I think higher education is, and how it always has been, a vehicle for self-transformation. We give you the keys to the car, but it's up to you to drive it. So let me tell you a little bit about who we can help you to become. One of the things that I've always appreciated about ESCP is its European approach. I went to business school in the United States, where managers they work in firms that have to navigate a single market of about 350 plus people that have mostly culture, language, and consumer habits in common. Europe is also a single market on paper, and is about the same size as the US, a bit bigger, but it's an entirely different animal. Despite the fact that there is technically a single market, people still prefer to buy things from companies in their country, to buy things in their language. Taxes and other regulatory hurdles, despite integration of the EU, are still disparate between member states. ESCP was one of the first schools to see the need to train the managers that have to navigate this single market patchwork by taking a European approach. And they remain the leader in this European approach. So this is a baseline thing that we can offer you. It's a singular European perspective and experience that you'll bring to the table when you start your career and enter the workforce. But let me tell you about some other things that we're doing in the program that are going to happen, have already happened, are happening right now, and will happen in the next 5 years, that are going to help our graduates to lead and succeed in the new world that is fast approaching. Let's start with one of the biggest things that we've been talking about for the last couple of years, and that's AI. AI is affecting your parents. It's affecting you. We're all feeling it. No business school can ignore it. ESCP leadership, about 2 years ago, decided to put the school at the forefront of what's happening in management education with artificial intelligence by creating a partnership with OpenAI. In the undergraduate program, we're going to use those resources and that partnership to make sure that we're training our students to be AI engineers. That means we're training them to be capable of creating new management tools using this technology that they can bring into their firms and add tremendous value. Last year, we created the first core course in artificial intelligence and big data management, and we're going to be expanding that over the next 2 to 3 years. So everyone who enrolls starting next year is going to have a deep and really important training related to AI. Next, we are going to reinforce our offer in the humanities. The humanities, for me, I've studied a lot of humanities. I consider this to be very important. Our students have always been very intellectually curious and very engaged with society and culture. But we want to really reinforce that and build it into deeply into the curriculum. Okay, so over the next 2 or 3 years, we're going to be launching courses in international political economy, new courses, and one also advanced core course in art history. Next on the docket, our students have to be, and our graduates have to be prepared to deal with a future, a business future, in which resource scarcity is going to become more and more prevalent, and in which supply chain instability is going to become a bigger and bigger issue. Not everyone is aware, but over the last 25 years, there has been an incredible rise in the global middle class. It's been a transformative thing that's pulled billions of people out of poverty. It's a huge achievement. But the consumption that is going to accompany, and that is accompanying this growth in the global middle class is massively unsustainable. So to that end, 2 years ago, we created another core course in sustainability that's based in science and that is designed to make sure our graduates see what's coming down the road. This one is very dear to my heart as an entrepreneurship professor. We're going to be training the next generation of what I call enterprising managers. These are people who are trained not just to manage the basic operations of a firm, but who are able to innovate internally and generate new revenue streams for the firm. Starting in 2027, in January, all second-year students in the Bachelor will be taking an advanced core course in entrepreneurship and innovation. This course is going to give them specific skills and tools, allowing them to manage uncertainty and drive wealth creation. And let's not forget, our students are sophisticated and fun. Work-life balance has always been an important part of our culture at ESCP, and in the future, we'll be looking for ways to continue to instill those values in our students. Let's move on to the architecture of the program. Over the last couple of years, ESCP has made significant investments post-COVID, beyond what was invested during COVID, in digital production technologies and infrastructure. We want to totally revamp the asynchronous content of the program. These are the online portions of the courses that the students take in the first and second year of the bachelor program. Things like professor videos, for example. We're going to use the resources that we now have, especially on the Paris and Madrid campuses, to redo all of our online platforms to make sure that they are more impactful and more conducive to learning for our students. So this is something to look forward to. And lastly, we are building a new kind of student experience at ESCP, literally. Soon, all the students at ESCP in our undergraduate program are going to have access to amenity-rich, state-of-the-art campuses in all 5 of the cities where we are present. I was in Turin 10 days ago and saw the new campus that opened there last year. It's fantastic. This here is a picture of the Paris campus that's currently under construction. Work was started 2 years ago and will be finished in 2029. Madrid will soon have a new and centralized campus. And Berlin and London both have big renovation projects on the books that will be coming in the near future. I think these new campuses are going to add tremendous value to the undergraduate program. So in closing, I want to ask you again, who do you want to become? Think about it. And if you think you want to become an ESCP graduate, please know that I, all of the professors at ESCP, and all of the support staff in the undergraduate program are ready to help you become the person you want to be. Thank you and have a great day.